Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 1, which consists of 6 people. My name is Amira, Putri, Rianti, Ashura.
My name is Ati Yatul Qudus.
My name is Azriel Firmansyah Al-Buchory.
My name is Dava Gustiyana.
My name is Ojak Romdoni.
My name is Zafira Setiawan.
We will introduce mini portable AC Teknologi Engineering. Join our excitement. Enjoy!
Tools and materials. Tools, key source, cutter, ruler, solder, and tin light. Materials: peltier kit, DC fan, power adapter, female USB, digital thermometer, kabel, and PVC.
Make a line according to the specified size to cut the PVC board. The specified size is 15-20 cm for the front and back. One part of the PVC board box that has been cut is taken to make a hole in the form of a small box to insert a small heatsink. After that, cut according to the lines that have been drawn according to the size of the small heatsink. After drilling the small box, it's time to make a DC fan that connects to the small heatsink. Fan is finished, it's time to make the DC fan part, which will produce wine. After making the front DC fan, one part of the PVC board will be drilled into a large round shape to insert the finished DC fan. This is measuring the DC fan section on the front PVC board. After measuring, go to the cutting section and cut along the line that has been drawn according to the size of the DC fan. tidy up the parts. After the part of drilling the adhesive is finished, it's time to draw a line and cut a small rectangular hole to place the digital thermometer. After that, just insert the digital thermometer into the hole that has been made and insert the finished one into each hole.